Family members of Uganda's President Yoweri Museveni in his government. 1. Janet Museveni, Minister of Education and a wife to the President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. 2. Muhoozi Kainerugaba, he is the Chief of Uganda's Defense Forces and son to the President of Uganda. 3. Salim Saleh. Saleh is Presidential Advisor, former Minister and a brother to Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. 4. Bright Ramirama. Bright is a cousin to the President who serves as the Minister for Animal Industry. 5. Shedrack Nzere is a stepbrother to President Museveni who serves as the Senior Presidential Advisor on Defense. 6. Miriam Karugaba. She serves as an administrator at the State House and is the sister-in-law to Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. 7. Sabit Muzei, the former Deputy Inspector General of Police, is a cousin to the President of Uganda. 8. James Katera is a military commander and a cousin to the First Lady Janet Kataha Museveni. 9. Faith Mirembe, Private Secretary in Education and Social Services, and is a cousin to President Museveni. 10. Sam Kutesa. Kutesa is the former Minister of Foreign Affairs and the father-in-law of Museveni's son, Muhoozi. 11. Alan Masiko is a Director of Special Forces Command's Intelligence and a husband to Sam Kutesa's daughter, the father-in-law of General Muhoozi, the first son. 12. Jim Muhwezi. Muhwezi is the Minister for National Security and a cousin of Museveni's wife, Janet Kataha Museveni. 13. Susan Muhwezi. She is Presidential Assistant of the African Growth Opportunity Act, who is a cousin of Museveni's wife. 14. John Karazare. He's the cousin to the President Museveni's wife and a senior presidential advisor on local government. 15. Henry Tumukunde. He's the former senior military officer who married a cousin of Museveni's wife. 16. Moses Byarruhanga. He's a senior presidential advisor and married a cousin of Museveni's wife. 17. Hope Nyakiru. Nyakiru is Undersecretary for Finance and Administration at the State House and a cousin of Museveni's wife. 18. Jolie Sabune. She is Managing Director, Cotton Development Authority and a cousin of Museveni's wife. 19. Natasha Museveni Karugire. He is a Presidential Assistant in charge of Household at State House and a President Museveni's daughter. 20. Odrek Rabogo. Rabogo is a Senior Presidential Advisor on Special Duties. He is Museveni's son-in-law. 21. Alice Kaboyo. She is a State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister for the Ruwelo Triangle and Rwenzori region. 22. Joseph Ekwa. Ekwa is a Presidential Advisor on Veterinary Issues, who is a nephew to the President. 23. Richard Kabonero. Kabonero is the head of Department of Regional Economic Cooperation, who is a cousin of Museveni's wife. 24. Jimmy Karugaba. He is the officer in charge of Accounts Department at the State House, a brother-in-law to the President of Uganda. 25. Edwin Karugiri. He is a lawyer who handles some government contracts. He is a son-in-law to the President. President Yoweri Museveni has ruled Uganda since 1986 after the Bush War.